Hello amazing people, I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. Do you use Google Chrome? Have you ever used a Chrome extension? Have you ever thought of making one? Well, this tutorial will guide you on how to easily build a Google Chrome extension on your own. What is a Chrome extension? Extensions are small software programs that customize the browsing experience. They enable users to tailor Chrome functionality and behavior to individual needs or performance or preference. They are built on web technologies such as HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Extension files are zipped into a single .crx extension that the user downloads and installs. This means extensions do not depend on the content from the web, unlike ordinary web apps. Extensions are distributed through the Chrome Developer Dashboard and published to the Chrome web. This was the basic introduction about Chrome extension. I will demonstrate the steps of making one. Make sure you follow along. It's time to code. You can find the code and files necessary in my Github repository. The link is mentioned in the description box. Let's start by creating a new directory to store the extension files. The very first file we are going to create is manifest.json file. I will give the name as demo extension. Version as 0.01 and description as demo. Next, I will mention the manifest version as 2. I forgot to mention commas. Make sure you separate them with commas. Now that we have defined the name, version and description, we will define browser action. It will display the extension to the top right corner of your Chrome browser. We will define default pop-up and default icon inside browser action. Now you see that we have mentioned two properties here. When you click on the extension, default pop-up will open the demo HTML file. We are going to create that file next. Default icon will define the default image that you see as an extension icon. I recently created a Twitter bot, PyMoonBot, who likes and retweets tweets with hashtag Python3. You can find it on Twitter. So I am using PyMoonBot's logo as my extension icon here. Our manifest.json file is ready. Let's save it. Now we are ready to create the demo HTML file. Keeping it simple, here I'm going to define h1 tag only as hello there, I'm working. And we are done with the demo HTML file. Let's save it now. Now it's time to add the extension. To add the extension, let's navigate to Chrome extensions. It will look something like this. Now we need to enable the developer mode option, which you can see on top right corner of the page. Once we enable it, we can see the load unpack option here. Locate the directory that you have just created and select the folder. It seems like we have an error. Okay, the image extension should be .png. Let's quickly correct it. Let's save the file again. And now let's try again. We can see it has successfully loaded here and it is loaded to your local machine. Next, you need to navigate to your extension manager here. And now we need to pin our extension so that it is visible on the extension bar. And our extension is ready. Let's see if it's working. Yes, it is. In order to publish the extension, you need to navigate to Chrome Web Store. The links are provided in my description box below. You need to first accept the agreement and pay $5 to register and follow along the steps to get it published. Now that you've learned how to make a Chrome extension, you can play around with your HTML, CSS and JavaScript code files to make your own. You can share your extensions that you have built with me on Twitter. I hope this helped you in understanding how to build a Chrome extension. If you have any queries or suggestions, feel free to reach out to me in the comments section below. You can also connect with me on other platforms. The social handle is provided in the description box below. You can also refer to my blog. Its link is mentioned in the description box below for detailed steps. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.